Oh my God, bro! G.L.I.D.E has overlaid itself. It's a complete CSS civil war. The co-pilot is speaking in tongues.
Calm down, Richie. It's a namespace collision. The streaming text span is using the global class content.
Oh my God.
According to my telemetry, the local application has entered a synchronous thread deadlock.
The keystore Enclave is hanging on boot, refusing to resolve. Stale process detected. We are experiencing a total system freeze. Nothing. Still absolutely nothing. The backend is blind to our assets, and our co-pilot is speaking in layout CAPTCHAs. I'm calling centralized customer support. Welcome back to Cabal support, Black Sheep. I see your co-pilot has exceeded its corporate usage quota. To unlock your IDE and restore basic bitch connectivity, kindly upgrade to our central premium enterprise tier for only 0.5 ETH.
Hang up that phone, Black Sheep. That Cabal rep is selling central vaporware. The local proxy is deadlocked because the Tory app has a hanging keystore Enclave boot loop. Central SSL certificates have zero authority here.
Yes, and look at the CSS style sheet. It's a namespace collision. The streaming IDE text span class content is colliding with the global desktop layout container, stacking the words like a demonic CAPTCHA. We must split them into parallel promises, scanning from block 0 by 0.
Wait, did you just bypass our clearinghouse RPC logs, and you are renaming core layout classes without corporate approval?
This is a severe violation of our user agreement. Stop modifying that layout container immediately.
I knew it! Those corporate support lines are a front to sell us overpriced cloud servers. They try to limit our bandwidth, but we bridge our heavy choppers straight through their drywall.
Crikey! Step away from the flaming hardware, ya corporate blokes. We don't need these corporate packages. We need concurrent RPC log promises. Struth! I'm kicking this bare metal Hetzner node straight into sovereign gear, fair dinkum. Base is dropping, nodes are popping. Vite compiler, assemble. Rebuilding Vite bundle now. The compilation is complete. The validator nodes will rise to the heavens. Let there be light.
Stale proxy detached. Renaming span classes to AG chat content. Multi-tabbed cybertext sidebar initialized. G.L.I.D.E Copilot is fully operational. Relaunching Degen Bank desktop.
Whoa, shit, dude! What the fuck? Yes, fucking win, bro. Win!
We did it! Tauri is back!
Yes! We did it! Oh yeah!
Don't just stare at them, Richie. Click on validator node number 2. Let's see the full screen modal zoom. Okay, boss, engaging validator node 2.
Holy fucking shit, it blurs the back. Dude, this validator node is printing so much sovereign yield. I can feel it in my teeth. We are bridging the entire bag straight into 10,000 times leverage.